Did you know most alarms are designed to alert you of a change in your refrigerator? Most alarms are designed to alert you of a change in your appliance and involve you taking some action. Here's a review of the most common alarms so you can properly address them. In the event of a power failure, the power outage alert will be illuminated once power has been restored and a tone will sound. The alert will only be illuminated if the refrigerator or freezer has reached unsafe temperatures during the outage. Press any button to silence the tone. Note: if your refrigerator has reached an unsafe temperature during this time, it may also show the high temperature alarm. In the event of a high temperature condition in your freezer and/or refrigerator, an alarm will sound. Oftentimes, this stems from the door being left open. High temperature will be illuminated on the control display. The alarm will sound every 60 seconds until acknowledged. To clear, press the Clear Alerts key and close the door. If a door has been opened for more than 5 minutes, an alarm will sound and illuminate on the display. To clear, press the Clear Alerts key and close the door. When illuminated in red, the water filter needs to be replaced. To maximize your filter's performance, we recommend you change the water filter every 6 months or when 125 gallons of water has been dispensed. After changing the water filter, you can reset the alert by pressing and holding the button for 3 seconds. Your refrigerator also has another filter that should be replaced typically every 6 months, which is your air filter. This will illuminate in red when the filter needs to be replaced. After changing the air filter, you can reset the alert by pressing and holding the button for 3 seconds. To make it easy on yourself, we recommend changing your air and water filters at the same time. Experiencing an error tone or alarm not mentioned or found in your use and care manual? Feel free to contact us. For more information and tips, reference your use and care manual or visit us online on the Electrolux website. For better living, Electrolux.